Okay.
So where did you buy the switch from? Online?
Oh, I bought it from Shopee lah. Actually, I look at the picture, then I roughly see, okay, this might be the one. Then I bought it and try.
Okay.
Then following the L1, L2 and stuff like that, I try and connect lah. I mean, I did ask my friend which one to connect to. So I thought it was all good already until when I turned on the switch, and then the entire house short circuit.
Oh.
So all the switches cannot be turned on. Then I got a bit panic lah. So luckily there was no fire, no nothing. But I was afraid to actually go near to the switch also, because in case electrocuted lah. Yeah. So that's why I called you guys lah as an emergency. I think it's very important lah. I mean, I might have died yesterday lah. Yeah. Luckily I didn't itchy hand go and touch lah. Yeah. In fact, I didn't even know that my actually when during the renovation of my house, the circuits was actually not done properly.
Oh.
Yeah, so it was shared. The water heater was shared with another light source, so it cannot be turned on together. Yeah, so thank you that your electrician actually, you guys yesterday actually really find out this problem, so that next time I won't have this issue lor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
After the interview, you all understand, owner overstepped and he overestimate himself. He think that he studied some electrical engineering and he want to replace his own switch. And he found that he got himself into a serious trouble. It is lucky that the circuit breaker tripped and prevent the current to flow in. Can you imagine? The circuit breaker is damaged and he turned on the switch and he went for his bath. This will be a disaster. Can the authority consider the electrical apparatuses is a control item? May I ask the authority, is it important to actually control electrical switches and socket outlet as a control item, as consumer may not able to perform electrical work in a safe manner? Do you think that selling this item to the electrician only rather than selling to the public, it is a better option? Let me know.